बिहाइंड द सीन्स में मैं बस 10 मिनट तक अपने लैशेस ही कर्ल करती हूँ कि उठ जा उठ जा. ओके, यू फर्स्ट से हाय, आई विल से हाय देन. ठीक है, था
That's how it works, Himadri.
Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. We only have 5 more days to Vlogmas. Today's video is a special one because it is the final collab of my Vlogmas series and I thought it's only apt that we share our top 5 favorites of 2020. I will link down everything that we speak about in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I'm just super stoked for this video to begin. So let's welcome Himadri.
Hi Meghna, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for doing this video. I'm so happy to have you on my channel, honestly speaking.
I'm so excited. I cannot even tell you, and I'm nervous too, but I'm more excited.
Himadri has been telling me how nervous she is for this. This is actually your first collab, right?
Yes, it's my first collab. I literally texted Meghna that Meghna,
I'm feeling very nervous, bro. Please help me. And like we have been chatting for I guess 10-15 minutes and I'm feeling a bit better now.
For anyone who does not know, would you like to say something about your channel?
Hello everyone, my name is Himadri. I have a YouTube channel where I post makeup, fashion and vlogs kabhi kabar, but mostly I post makeup related content. So if this is something that interests you, you should check out my channel. Subscribe karna mat bhulna. I'm so close to 100k yaar. I'm so excited.
Guys, she's close to 100k. Come on yaar, ye year ke pehle Himadri should hit 100k, that's all. I will put her channel ka link, everything in the description box and in the comments, so make sure you subscribe and give all your love to Himadri's channel as well. And yeah, let's start. Do you want to go first?
Yes, okay. So the first thing that I have here, of course, should be something related to YouTube Next Up. We both were part of YouTube Next Up and I wanted to share this card here which says welcome to your graduation, and this handwritten note which I think Varsha wrote for us, and it's so special and so cute, which I'll always keep it and most probably मैं इसको laminate कराऊंगी. And of course this YouTube diary, I always wanted to get this YouTube diary. Yeah, I've seen so many big creators using this and now we finally have it. So anything from YouTube Next Up should be my favorite.
Wow yaar, now I feel stupid. I should have just picked up my YouTube Next
मेरा ये
Up
बहुत
merch as
last
well.
moment आया that I should add something YouTube Next Up का. Of course
This year ka highlight has been YouTube Next Up for us. Your first favorite will definitely also be my favorite, even though I haven't included in the list. I completely agree with you. I have one non-material thing to share in this favorites, and that is BTS.
ये तो of course होना था.
Yeah, hona hi tha. Like BTS has changed my life in every way possible. Okay, I think me and Himadri have also spoken about our love for K-dramas, and for me K-drama ka obsession aaya because I got to know BTS. And first it was their music, definitely. Like the music is so good. Like the lyrics, once you translate it and understand it, it's so meaningful. It's gotten me through some really rough phases in this year. And now more than music, just as them as human beings, like I really look up to them. Like they're literally my role models. My work ethic has been inspired by them. Everything, like all aspects of me has a bit of BTS touch into it, which I know my viewers
I
by
really
now
want
know.
to start listening to BTS songs because मुझे इतने सारे लोग बोलते हैं you listen to BTS, have you watched their videos, have you seen how they dance, and I'm like no, am I the only one who doesn't follow BTS? I'm like oh shit. So
Actually
I
after this
should
video I will
start.
send you like 2-3 गाने, just listen to it, right?
Yes,
You might
okay,
like
okay. ठीक है done. You
Yeah.
also attended a concert, no, this year?
Yeah. So this year I attended 2 of their online concerts, of course, virtual concert tha.
You even cried. I remember your stories.
Dude, they give all these emotional speeches at the end. I'm like, my God, मैं सच्ची में रोना था. Actually, the best part about BTS is their journey. Knowing from where they came, like, it gives me so much motivation and push. Like, Meghna, तू कर सकती है.
And they inspire you.
Yeah, that sort of role model to have in your life is amazing. So, BTS for sure.
Amazing. So this one should be a makeup product and it is this mascara from L'Oreal. This is their Lash Paradise mascara and
I knew you would say that.
this
I knew it.
so much. So basically what the thing is that मेरे lashes ना बिल्कुल टेंट की तरह गिरे हुए, so उनको curl करना is very difficult for me. I have tried so many mascaras Meghna and nothing works on my lashes. So this is the only mascara that works for me and it has literally changed my life. And mascara लगा के लगता है कि हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, सही सलामत
Yes.
हूँ, उठी भी हूँ. ऐसा नहीं that I'm like sloth की always sleepy.
Next one is this nail polish by Nykaa. This is their matte nail lacquer and the shade is I think called Lavender Panna Cotta. Yes. This is a beautiful lavender shade and I have been wearing this in all my videos. To the point where even मेरे खुद के subscribers in my comments are like, मेघना तुझे और कोई nail pen नहीं मिलता क्या?
Oh my god.
I like wearing acrylic nails. I wear at home, like खुद stick on करके. But then this year, I've just like भाड़ में जाए वो सब. मुझे बस ये nail polish ही काफी है. बहुत long lasting है. Like it does not chip away easily.
I in general like Nykaa nail polishes. I think
Dude,
they are
yeah.
good for the price, you know.
I agree. They're also affordable and they're really good. They
Yes.
stay long and the colors are pretty. You have so many shades to choose from, right? So this is definitely
Okay.
my top favorite nail polish. You guys have to try this out.
So the next thing that I have here is this planner from Ink Bucket. I'm pretty sure that you must have added this
Yes.
planner because we both love this planner so much. You know what? Before we met Next Up Pay, I saw one of your videos where you were, you know, talking about planners, 2020 planners, and ये एक planner था that I was like, I need to have this. It's so cute, it's so pretty. My year has been very well planned and organized. मेरा सारा हिसाब किताब सब इसमें होता है. कितने पैसे आने हैं, कितने पैसे जाने हैं, सब लिखती हूँ मैं इसमें. This is in fact my first planner and I am thinking of getting the 2021 planner from Ink Bucket, the one you just reviewed. And I really want to get it. It's so cute. I think I'll get the pink one, जो थोड़ा सा
Yes.
different color वाला
Yes,
है.
yes. That's the one I got.
It's so cute. It's so cute. एक तो I love pink and I know pink is your favorite color as well. I
Yes.
guess. Yes. Yes. Oh God. Yes.
Okay, my next favorite. It's funny because it's the same thing as Himadri's favorite, which is the Ink Bucket 2020 planner. I think on my channel तो मैंने कितना ही बात किया इसके बारे में, but हिमाद्री में काफी actually cover कर लिया. It's basically the same reason. I feel it's one of the most, like, it's very minimalistic and has just the right amount of stuff to fill in. Like it's not too much where तुम सोच रहे हो कि भाई क्या करना है.
क्या
You know, it's
लिखना है,
very simple.
exactly.
It's really good for beginners as well. It's easy to plan on this planner and it'll actually keep your life organized, which is what it has done for the both of us, I
Yeah.
guess. Had to include my planner.
So the fourth favorite thing should be this jacket that I'm wearing. I wear this all the time.
I have
this
noticed.
This is from Uniqlo and so many people ask me, Himadri, where did you get this from? I have so many colors in this. मेरे पास dark blue है, मेरे पास brown है, मेरे पास एक mustard color है, this pink है, मेरी मम्मी के पास कितने सारे हैं, मेरी बहन के पास कितने सारे हैं, and we are obsessed with this jacket. You'll see me wearing this maximum अपने YouTube videos में जब तक winters खत्म नहीं हो जाती, Instagram stories पे you'll see me wearing this only.
Now my next one is an electronic gadget and that is something I'm wearing right now, which is basically the Samsung Galaxy earbuds, and I actually have two of them. This is the one I was using before. This is what I wear the entire day. I keep listening to music, तो ये मेरे कान में रहता ही है. I just put it out to charge sometimes and when I'm eating, but otherwise I always have it in my ear. That's how much I use it, like even to talk to anyone, everything. So initially I had the yellow one, then I upgraded to the BTS edition of it. And if you're looking for good Bluetooth earphones, highly suggest this. This is slightly pricey, but it's really worth it. It's going to last you for years, so you're really not losing out on much. Guys, wait for this last favorite, okay? This is the
Yes,
only
just
favorite I
wait.
knew Himadri was gonna share.
And my top favorite of this year should be my baby Milo. I got him I think March में and he's a big boy now. He's so sleepy but he's so cute, fluffy, innocent, naughty, क्या क्या नहीं. वहाँ देखो Milo, Modo, hello. I always wanted to have a pet. मैं 20 साल से मम्मी के सामने गिड़गिड़ा रही हूँ कि प्लीज मुझे एक पेट लेने दो and she was like no no no. ये मम्मी का सबसे ज्यादा लाडा है. मम्मी तो हमें भाव नहीं देती अब. She's
Oh
like
my God.
तुम कौन? तुमने खाना खाया? ठीक है मत खाओ. सबसे पहले इसको खाना खिलाओ. हमारी तो कोई अहमियत ही नहीं है इसको में. Now he's everyone's favorite.
Okay, so my last favorite is this necklace from Moon Magic Jewelry. It's an Instagram store. They also have a website, but I'm not sure if it's available in India. Ideally, like कोई अगर US में है, so you can ask them to get it for you. I'm a Leo. My zodiac sign is Leo, so it's Leo constellation का very pretty like stone का pendant. I feel like such minimalistic neck pieces go with anything and everything. The stuff that they have is so beautiful, Himadri. Like, you have to check it out. इतना pretty collection I haven't seen anywhere. Jewelry का packaging itself मैं close up भी दिखा दूँगी. Like, it's beautiful. So yeah, those were all my top 5 favorites and Himadri's top 5 favorites of 2020. I hope you all enjoyed it and let us know what were your favorites as well. We'd also love to read through the comments and see, you know, what you guys really loved using in this year. Please do definitely subscribe to Himadri's channel. Her channel is a dream for any makeup lover especially. मैं literally Himadri के makeup videos देखती हूँ and I'm just like, wow, how does she do that? It's so beautiful. And उसके Indian looks तो another level also. I think you really love
Thank
Indian
you so
looks,
much.
no?
I love Indian makeup looks. So I don't see a lot of tutorials. Now you can find them very easily, but back there it was very difficult to find good
Yeah.
Indian makeup tutorials and all that. And by the way, thank you so much for having me today. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
It's my first collab. I was so nervous, like nervousness level 10,000 tha mera, but I'm feeling so much better now.
Yeah, I
and
told you
I'm
ना,
so
like chill
happy
है
we
भाई,
did
सब
this.
chill है. मैं chill हूँ, मेरी channel chill है, मेरे viewers भी बहुत chill है. So no tension.
And Meghna, we should get on a call very soon and decide what we'll be filming for my channel.
Oh yes.
That's pending.
Abhi, because
Yeah.
of time constraints, we couldn't do it on her channel as well. But we'll definitely 2021. We will do it for sure.
Yes.
So if you have any requests, actually put it in the comments. Chalo, that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay happy, positive, and blessed. See you all. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.